Good morning, second grade. Miss Fogelman here for your math lesson. Today we're going to be reviewing comparing numbers. So let me get my screen pulled up. All right. Today is November 10th, and like I said, we're going to be doing a review of comparing numbers. The student will compare two numbers to decide if one is less than, greater than, or equal to the other. Before we start, I did want to show you this video on comparing numbers. Let me make sure my volume is where it should be so that you can hear it. All right.
Yeah, let's compare. Yeah, let's compare. Yeah, let's compare. Yeah. We compare numbers to show which are larger, smaller, and which are the same. Yeah, let's compare. We compare numbers to show which are equal, greater, and less than. Yeah, let's compare. We compare numbers to show which are larger, smaller, and which are the same. Yeah, let's compare. We compare numbers to show which are equal, greater, and less than. Yeah, let's compare. Today we're going to compare numbers. A number line like this will help us. It shows the numbers getting bigger from left to right. Let's start with this group of stamps. Alright, alright, alright. There are 7 stamps here and 4 stamps there. Now let's use the number line to compare. 7's to the right of 4, so it is larger. So 7 is greater than 4. 7 is greater than 4. But what about 3 apples here and 8 apples there? Yeah, 8 apples there. 3 and 8, yeah. 3 is left of 8 on the number line, so it's smaller when compared. 3 is less than 8, yeah. Now there are 4 rocks here and 4 rocks there. They are the same on the number line, so 4 is equal to 4. And last up we got 10 pencils here, 9 pencils there. So 10 is greater than 9, yeah. Woo! We compare numbers to show which are larger, smaller, and which are the same. Yeah, let's compare. We compare numbers to show which are equal, greater, and less than. Yeah, let's compare. We compare numbers to show which are larger, smaller, and which are the same. Yeah, let's compare. We compare numbers to show which are equal, greater, and less than. Yeah, let's compare. So, like we heard, we use the words greater than, less than, equal to compare numbers. Let's leave the objects and number line behind and just use numbers this time, this time, this time, yeah. How about 6 compared to 9? 6 is less than 9. 6 is less than 9, yeah. How about 5 compared to 5? They're the same number. 5 is equal to 5, yeah. 5 is less than 9, yeah. 9 is greater than 8, yeah. 8 is less than 10, yeah. 9 is greater than 1, yeah. 5 is less than 7. 3 is equal to 3. 2 is equal to 2. But 8 is greater than 2. Yeah, we're getting so good at this. We don't need no number line. We're getting so good at this. Number line straight dismissed. We're getting so good at this. We don't need no number
Okay, so that was just a little song to get us ready for comparing numbers today. So we are going to practice comparing numbers on an IXL program. Just a little reminder, make sure to start at the hundreds place and continue to compare until you reach the ones or the first pair that has one bigger than the other. So also remember, when we're comparing numbers, we do say greater than, less than, or equal to, but we will be using our symbols. All right, so let's get started. All right, now, just so that, let me grab my pen so that I can remind you of the symbols. All right, so remember, greater than looks like this, less than looks like this, and of course, equal to is the equal sign, okay? All right, just so that you know what symbols we'll be using. Okay, so 622 and 620. What symbol would we put here, or what words would we use? Now, in comparing the numbers, you do want to start with the hundreds place. Now, in these two numbers, they have the same number in the hundreds place, so then we have to go on to the tens place. Here's the 10, okay? And here's the 10. They are both the same number, so then we have to go to the ones place. The ones place here is the number 2, and the ones place here is the 0. So of course, 2 is greater than 0, so 622 is greater than 620, okay? So let me clear my drawings. So 622 is greater than 620. All right, now let's talk about 65 and 64. Of course, we look at the number 6 in each of the tens places, and they are both a 6. We look at the ones place, and this one is a 5, this one is a 4. So of course, 5 is greater than 4, so 65 is greater than 64. Okay, we have the numbers 143 and 145. We look at the hundreds place in each of these numbers, they're both 1. So we go on to the tens place, which is this right here, and they're both 4. The ones place, this is a 3, this is a 5, okay? The 3, of course, is less than 5, so 143 is less than 145. Okay, so for this one, I would like to get my pen back. All right, now remember, is greater than is this symbol, less than is this symbol, and of course equal to, okay? Now here in this one, we look at the hundreds place, and this has nothing in the hundreds place. There's nothing there, right? But this one has a 4, okay? So of course, 4 is going to be greater than 0. So we don't have to go any further in this number. We know that 92 is going to be less than, okay, less than 440. So the greater number always has the opening in our symbol, almost like the animal or alligator, say, wants to eat the one that's the biggest. So make sure you always have that opening side to the side that has the larger number. All right, let me erase my drawings. And we're going to put is less than. All right, here, which words make this statement true? 939 938. If we look at the hundreds place, which is right here, they're both the number 9. So we know that we need to move on because they're the same in the hundreds place. The tens place, this is a 3 and this is a 3. So they both have the same number of tens. Here we have a 9 in the ones place, and here we have an 8 in the ones place. So 9 is greater than 8, okay? So our symbol would have the opening towards the 939, and we would say it is greater than. All right, one more. Which words make this statement true? 344 and 324. Again, we look at the hundreds place. They both have 3 groups of 100. Then we look at the tens place. This has 4 groups of 10. This has 2 groups of 10. So we don't have to go any further. We know that 4 groups of 10 is going to be larger than 2 groups of 10. So we're going to say that 344 is greater than 324. All right, so let me go back to my slideshow. All right, so there will be a Google form in Shobi on comparing numbers. Make sure you do that and send it to me. Remember, you have to click submit at the bottom so that I get the score. In closure, today we compared numbers. Remember, when comparing numbers, start with the hundreds place and work to the ones. All right, everyone, that is your math lesson for today. Make sure you get that Google form done, and I will see you soon.